Can adult brains really grow new neurons? Imagine your brain as a busy city that keeps changing and growing even when you are an adult. You might think that once you leave childhood, your brain stops making new cells. But that is not quite true. In fact, adult human brains can produce new neurons, a process called adult neurogenesis. This mainly happens in a part of the brain called the hippocampus. The hippocampus is important for learning, memory, and emotions. Although neurogenesis is most active during early childhood and before birth, research shows that new neurons continue to form in adults. The rate of growth is slower than in children, but it still happens. Adult neurogenesis involves special cells called neural stem cells. These cells divide and change into neurons, which then connect with existing brain circuits. This process mainly occurs in two areas of the brain. One is called the subgranular zone of the dentate gyrus within the hippocampus. The other is the subventricular zone lining the lateral ventricles. New neurons from the hippocampus help the brain stay flexible and adaptable, which is part of what we call neuroplasticity. This ability to grow new neurons in adulthood shows that the brain can still change and reorganize itself. During early development, the brain produces neurons rapidly to support growth and learning. As we grow older, the process slows down, but it does not stop completely. This means that learning new skills, experiencing new environments, and staying active can influence the growth of new neurons. Activities like regular exercise, mental challenges, and engaging with new environments can boost neurogenesis. On the other hand, aging, stress, and certain diseases can slow down the process. For example, stress hormones can reduce the production of new neurons, while physical activity can increase it. So, the answer is yes, adult brains can grow new neurons. This process mainly takes place in the hippocampus and supports ongoing learning and memory. It is a sign that our brains are capable of change throughout our lives, even if the pace is slower than in childhood. This ability to produce new neurons is part of the brain's natural capacity for adaptation and growth, showing that learning and brain health are lifelong pursuits.